to the Rewrite and Relive podcast. I'm your host Dr. Priyanka Mohar and we are here to promote preventive measures and healthy lifestyle. In our today's podcast, we are going to talk about how we can build a strong immunity in 5 effective ways. So let's begin. Immunity plays a crucial role to fight against any microbial diseases. Immunity is a response of body to defend from any foreign substances, cells and tissues. Hence, it is important to boost our immunity during the pandemic situation like COVID-19 and otherwise as well. There are many food choices and exercise schedules available to enhance the function of immune system. However, adapting any single aspect of doing so will prohibit us from developing and sustaining immunity for a long duration of time. The World Health Organization defines health as a state of complete physical, mental, and social well being, and not merely the absence of disease or infirmity. Nevertheless, to build up a strong immunity considering all the aspects of the health is vital. Hence, today we are going to discuss the 5 most important factors for building the healthy immune system. First is nutritious food. Developing strong immunity is a result of repetitive actions taken to maintain health and not a one time task. Nutritious food is on the ball in enhancing immunity. You all must have read about the benefits of eating fresh and homemade food. Including maximum fruits and vegetables in the regular diet loads our body with tons of micronutrients. Also, freshly cooked homemade food avoids the chances of getting infected with the microorganisms, as well as it will save us from preservatives. Vitamins and minerals indeed play a cardinal part to keep all our systems in the body in a harmony. However, antioxidants are another set of compounds that has a key functioning in boosting immunity. Often my patients, family and friends ask me a question. Priyanka, do you think if we eat this particular food product, then will it help in increasing our immunity? I certainly believe that eating just 4 leaves of spinach every day for a week does not cure anemia for a good. Similarly, to improve immunity, we need to persistent vigilant eating habits. Nevertheless, my experience of clinical practice allows me to mention that wholesome food and a balanced diet promote good immunity. However, I am little skeptical about the use of supplements. Hence, eating fresh vegetables and including maximum fruits and vegetables in your daily diet will improve your immunity. Second is adequate hydration. Yes, you heard it right. Water is another crucial element to keep us healthy. Additionally, adequate hydration can be beneficial along with the nutritious food as osmolarity regulates the normal physiological function, which is overriding for immunity buildup. Dense caloric food may lead to obesity but not strong immunity. However, excessive weight can interfere with the flow of nutrients within the body. In this scenario, water helps the nutrient to flow regularly in our body. Including herbs and spices can add antimicrobial benefits to the regular drinking water. So guys, please drink lots of water. Third is daily exercise. Exercise is an additional important aspect of developing and maintaining immunity. Our brain and body functions together to regulate the movements, voluntary as well as involuntary. Controlling movement is the chief function of our bodies. Hence, moving our bodies regularly promote the flow of nutrients and blood in all the parts of body equally, which ultimately helps in boosting immunity. It is not necessary to go to the gym and do weight training or run 5 miles every day. Moving the body in any form, for instance, dancing, doing yoga, or going for a walk daily, can be beneficial for maintaining healthy immunity. Fourth is sound sleep. As we see in our modernized lifestyle, we all have disturbed circadian rhythm. Hence, improving sleep quality is becoming our priority. During our sleep, body works on repairing daily wear and tear. Sound sleep helps in the optimum production of cytokinase. It is a type of protein that targets infection and inflammation. However, chronic insomnia or poor quality of sleep can increase the susceptibility of the body towards the infections. Daily sleep of 6 to 7 hours without any disturbance can be beneficial and helps in boosting the immune response of the body. Fifth is stress management. Along with the nutrition and exercise, emotion and the state of mind have a huge impact not only on the immunity but also on the overall health. Continuous stress, anger, and feeling of dissatisfaction can deteriorate cell efficacy. However, there is no scientific evidence for which emotions prevents from boosting immunity and which facilitates the same. Nevertheless, research shows stress interferes with the assimilation and absorption of the nutrients. Meditation and mindfulness are some of the solutions to control excessive stress and increase awareness about the emotions. These options may not show immediate results, especially for beginners. However, positive affirmations can be helpful in the initial phase. To sum up, boosting immunity can vary according to age, pollution, hygiene conditions, and previously existing metabolic disorders. However, immunity credibly enhances at any stage of life by adopting healthy lifestyle changes. Into the bargain, with the nutritious diet, enough hydration, regular exercise, stress management, and adequate sleep, avoiding smoking and excess consumption of alcohol, also maintaining hygiene practices are helpful. Thank you for watching our today's video. If you like our videos, then please give thumbs up and share with your loved ones. Also, don't forget to subscribe our channel so that you will not miss our any upcoming informative video. Until next time, rewrite your mind and relive your life.